Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. You are watching CSC Guide official YouTube channel. Today I will tell you about one of our Indian university started Chinese government scholarship, Chinese atomic energy scholarship program in Harbin Engineering University. Harbin Institute of Technology is different from Harbin Engineering University, so you can apply for this university. If you have acceptance, then apply as soon as possible. If you don't have acceptance, then apply, try to get acceptance. But if you not get any acceptance yet from this university, you can apply without acceptance letter. But how you apply for this, how you fill the form, and these types of things. So first I tell you, we will make a website for you. We make a website for you, cscguideofficial.com. If you have any problem about anything, like how you prepare documents, how you find faculty and of different universities, and which universities have scholarship has been started for China scholarship CSC. So all these universities still till CSC scholarship has been started in different universities for Chinese government scholarship, all have been there. So you can type in Google cscguideofficial.com and click on the first link, and you can reach here. So I will give the description, a link in description of this this scholarship, Harbin Engineering University scholarship. So came to the point. No, the authority is Chinese government scholarship. Master and PhD student can apply fully funded scholarship stipend for master and PhD. And apply method. What is the apply method? Online apply means first you apply online, and then send documents to university. Means not just online apply, first fill online form and then documents to university. Deadline is 15th of April 2020. So eligibility criteria you can show that, show here. So and how you apply for this scholarship, first you fill the form. See, agency number is after filling CSC form, you will fill the Harbin Engineering University online portal. How you fill the form of online application portal, I will tell you in this video. How you fill the form, I will give the link in description. So upload all required documents, print all documents when you applied in both online form, and send documents to this address. So no application fee. After sending all documents, check your status daily. How you check the status, I will tell you in this video. This is the portal of online apply link of CSC scholarship. When you click on this link, and you will reach the CSC official website link, studyinchina.csc.edu.cn. And when you click on this link, then you can reach on the portal of the Harbin Engineering University. So how you fill this form, I will tell you in this video. And what is the required documents? CSC application form, Harbin Engineering University application form. When you print Harbin Engineering University application form, you must sign on the last page of the form. And highest degree certificate and transcript of highest education. You must have transcript of highest education, and another student study plan, research plan. If you this university have own sample, to click on this and fill, make the study plan according to their condition. So fill your own data, like family, username, passport, and your supervisor. If you have supervisor, then type your first supervisor here. And if you don't have supervisor, then type 6 of your department supervisor name here. And after that you must fill your education background, duration, and these types of things. Okay, now came to the research study plan. What is the research study plan? Because this university have own study plan sample. Normally we apply, as we apply as in other universities, we make study plan, simple study plan, and send to them. They don't have any study plan sample. So but this university have own study plan sample. Harbin Institute of Technology also have own study plan sample, and this university. So first you can make the headings like this research background. Type your research background, research purpose and significance, literature review, significant preference of the applicants, and research method, and these kind of things. All these discuss all these things in your study plan with this heading. Don't change this format, change make this study plan according to this. So now came to the point. Now if you want to check the official advertisement of the university, then click on this link and open this link. Open the link. When you open this link, then all these information which I give in website, all these here you must check after watching, after reviewing this, you must open the university official website. Maybe I forget to tell you something, but you find everything here, so I try to give my 100% on this website. So open this link, and when you open this link, you can see all these things here. So all another scholarship of this university has also been started, but how you apply for this I will discuss in the next video. So acceptance letter is not mandatory. You must have physical examination, form 2 recommendation letter, passport copy, police clearance certificate, mean no criminal record, and acceptance letter. So if I will also give the link in description here for English user and Urdu and Hindi like this, so don't worry about this. I hope you understand all these situations, and if you have any problem, then contact. You can join our WhatsApp group. So WhatsApp group is on home page of this website. So when you click in this their link, you can reach our WhatsApp group here. So here is the WhatsApp. When you click on WhatsApp, then you will find our WhatsApp group. So contact join our WhatsApp group. We will and leave your comment if you have any problem. Type in the group, inshallah we will give you reply. So everything is here. So now came forward to the Harbin University online portal. So now came to the point. Harbin University online portal here. How you fill this form? First you click on the link which I give you in this link. So Harbin Engineering University, click here, Chinese Harbin Engineering University, and when you click on university portal link, you will open the link like this. Okay, make your account here and sign in. I will tell you in after signing in. Okay, after signing in, click on online application, and I also filled in this form, so I will delete it. But make sure one thing, that once you submit this online application portal, then your application will not be withdrawn here and not be edited. So try to make accurate and authentic and accurate, and fill the form carefully. So after clicking on home, I click on online application, and I select Chinese government scholarship. If I select Chinese government scholarship, click on master student, because I am applying for master. So now I apply for social sciences like this. So if just for you, and click on find. If you are and after you can type your see your major here. I click on the here, and also click on English. Maybe either I get English. No, there is no link for English. So Chinese, so I click on sociology, click and apply. So this is a scholarships which you show. So we click on atomic energy scholarship of China, because mention on the university website that Chinese government scholarship, atomic energy scholarship program. So I apply for this. Okay, when I apply for this, then click on apply. If you apply for Silk Road scholarship, then you can also click on this link. So I click on apply and fill all the forms. So I cannot fill the form as type by type, because if I typing one by one, so it's take too much time. So I go to home, click on an online application, and just for you giving the I will review. First, you fill your detail, passport detail, nationality, marital status, nationality, and birth date, country of birth, province, and native language, which your mother tongue in your which your national language in your country, on country, highest level of education. If you are applying for master degree, then your highest level of education is bachelor, and if you are applying for PhD, then your highest level of education is master. Select your religion, apply. If you are not applying yet or not working any institute, then type the name of your university, and occupation is type student. And if you are graduated from university and not getting any, or not doing any job, then type anything, means like a final year project, internship in your 6 month, and these kind of things. Yeah, this is just formality, but you must type. So health status, physically fit, no, you are not migrated from China. If you are migrated from China, then yes, otherwise not. Hobby, sports, it's etc. Passport number, type your passport expiry date which is mentioned on passport. If and type your educational background. If two educational backgrounds required, means first your highest degree, and other. If you not if you not go to the form next option, then you must type your second degree, means if you are applying for bachelor, then you type your intermediate also. So if you educational background, employment background also be studied here. If you have any employment background, then give the detail. If form cannot go forward to the next point without filling the employment background, then must fill this employment background. Give the detail of the university and final year product, these kind of things. So like document list, you must have upload the passport, the photocopy of passport of the, and visa means the fifth or sixth page of your passport blank page. Upload the blank page of your passport. Visa, there is a type visa, same like this on your passport. Physical examination form, upload physical examination form. Previous stage of graduation certificate, means your highest degree. Previous certificate of transcript, means your transcript to recommendation letter, study plan. So upload all these documents. Chinese proficiency certificate, if you have Chinese proficiency certificate, then click on yes and excellent, then this kind of things. If you don't have any, then click on no and type here English proficiency certificate. The language proficiency, means type it here is English proficiency certificate or English proficiency. That's enough, English proficiency. So this is automatically generated when you fill the form. And recommended name, type your friend name and other things, another student, and these kind of things which we know about this scholarship and these kind of things. Okay, a family certificate, type your give the detail of your brother, sister, mother and father. So as you give a female position, workplace. If you don't have any detail about your brother and father, then just type it, because it's formality, but just need to fill. So no, if you have criminal record. If you don't have a criminal record, then click on no. If you have, then type what is the reason, but you select no is the better option. So financial guarantor, give the detail of your father and brother who support you. So it's depend on you. Greater in China, type your detail of your father here or brother, anything. So home country address, give the home country address like province, city, this kind of zip code. If you don't have zip code, then Google it. You type your city name with type your in Google like Islamabad zip code. They will tell you, they will show you here. So current postal address, if your current postal address is same, then click on the same here if when you fill the form, and automatically generated. And how you collect them, when you fill this form, two option has been shown. If once is the at home address, and another was in the university, Harbin Engineering University. You can click on home address or like same like this. So click on here and give the detail of your collect your admission status, means address, postal address, is these kind of things. So after clicking on, you must submit the form. But after completing the form, once you review the form, maybe you do some mistakes. If you have mistake, then raise it and correct it. So when you after filling, when your form is submitted, and application numbers will be shown here, and type you will show the that in process. When when your status in process, means it's submitted, and now in process for review. When your initial review has been passed, then you will show here that you will pass the initial review, and when your result is going to be announced, then status change to final result and at least at the last, when you in the last when you submitted, when you accepted, then status shown is admitted, like this. Okay, it means you are selected for scholarship. So it's good for you, good opportunity for you. You can apply for this as soon as possible. How you fill the CSE application form, you can I'll give the link in description. So I hope you like the video, and the 2 or 3 universities have started that CSE scholarship, so I will discuss in the next video. Hope so you like the video. Stay tuned with us, and good luck.